no reserve on it, it's in itself. It's had your commission interest. 7,300 miles. You know all about it. It's been all over the press, all over the internet. Somebody stole me at what, £40,000 a store? 30,000 to go on? I'll do anything still was there. Well, I've got 28 here. 28,000 pounds. 29,000. 30,000. 31. 31. 32. 32. Big said 33. 33,000. 34. Got you. 35,000. 36,000. 37,000. 38,000. 39,000. 40,000. 41,000. 42,000. 42. 43. 43. 44. 44,000 pounds. 45,000. 45,000 pounds. Finish here at 45. 46. 46. Where you all gone? 47. 47. 48. 49. Rounded up. 50,000 pounds. Half its money. 51. 51. Put your hands down with the phone, please. I think you've got it. 51. 52. 52. 52 on this phone. 53. 53 bid. 53. 5,003. 54. 54. 54. 55. 55. 56. 57. 58,000. 58,000. Are you sure? 58,000 pounds. The bid is there. 58,000 pounds. At 58,000. All the phones have the bids in the room. 58,000 pounds. 59,000. 59,000. 60,000 pounds. 61,000. 62,000. 63,000. 64,000. 65,000. 66,000. 67,000. We're about 2/3 of the way. 67,000. 68. 67,000. That's 67. Anyone else? 67,000. 68,000. 68. Don't make it 70. Try and knock him out. 70,000 pounds. That's 70,000. That's 70,000 pounds. That's 70. That's 70,000 pounds. 70,000 bid. You want to look? 70,000 pounds then? 71. Half. 71 half. Thank you. 71 half. That's 71 half. 72. 72 half. 72,500. 72 half. You never see another one. 72 half. That's 72 half bid. 72 half. Last chance. 73,000. 73 half. That's 73,500. 73 half bid. That's 73,500. 73,500 pounds. Hammers up. 74,000. 75. 75. 75,000. Look at for one now. 75,000. 76 of you. 75,000 pounds. That's 75,000. 76 I'll take. 75,000 pounds. That's 75. 75,000 pounds. You're out on the phone. I'll take 76. No, you give me 1,000. You got to do the same. 75,000 pounds. I'll take 76. 76. 77. 77. We'll be here all night if you don't know. 77 I've got. That's 77. 77,000 pounds. That's 77. Hurry him up. 77,000. That's 77. 78 is he coming back? 77,000. How many times, gentlemen, it's going? 77,000 pounds once. 77. 7. 7. 7. 20. 80,000 pounds. 80,000 pounds. 80,000 pounds. 80,000 pounds. Goes once. Goes twice. All done. 80,000.
That's got to be a record. That's quite good, eh?
150. And that's totally what it's worth.